Okay, welcome to the market for round one. Now we've already prepared our bids for team one, so now we've got to see how well we've done. And as we can see, we're going to go through each customer in numerical order. There's a reminder about each customer, what the customer number is, what the quantity is they were after, their maximum selling price, what the maximum price they're prepared to pay, and then what the freight charges would be to deliver if you are the successful supplier. Now, there are 4 bidders for customer number 1, so we're going to reveal them in reverse order. So, in equal third place, we have Team 4 and Team 5, both who bid 20. And then in second place, we have Team 1 with a bid of 15. And the winner is Team 3 with a bid of 14. Now, we have a feature here for the end of each customer order to find out whether there's anything which we call money left on the table. Now, money left on the table in this example is 0 because Team 3 could not have won this business with a price any higher than 14. If they had put in a bid of 15, they'd have tied with Team 1 and then would have had to go through a tiebreaker. So in this instance, Team 3 have really priced well because they've left 0 on the table. Moving on now to customer number 2. Customer number 2 wanted a quantity of 3, maximum selling price of 18, and there was no freight charge. 3 bidders. Let's see. In third place, Team 5 with a bid of 15. In second place, Team 4 with a bid of 14, which means the winners are Team 1 with a bid of 12. That's excellent. Well done, Team 1. But we can see that Team 1 actually left 1 on the table. They could have bid 13 and they would have still beaten Team 4 into second place. So, moving on to customer number 3. Again, quantity of 2, maximum selling price of 12, freight of 0. There are 3 bidders in total. So we're going to reveal them again in reverse order. In third place, Team 5. In second place, Team 2. And the winner is Team 1 with a bid of 10. And excellent. Again, 0 left on the table. So Team 1 are doing very, very well. Some very good pricing there. And as we move on to customer 4, this is the customer with the biggest order, quantity of 5, maximum selling price of 30, freight of 4. And there are 3 bidders for this particular business. In third place is Team 2 with a bid of 29. In second place is Team 4 with a bid of 26. But the winners are Team 3 with a bid of 19. But look, they've left 6 on the table. They could have bid 25 and they would have still won this business. Moving on to customer 5. Again, quantity of 3, maximum price of 18, freight charge of 2. 4 bidders this time. So in fourth place is Team 2 with a bid of 17. In third place is Team 4 with a bid of 16. In second place is Team 3 with a bid of 15. And the winners are Team 1 with a bid of 14. And excellent pricing again with 0 money left on the table. So Team 1 are doing very, very well. Customer 6, only a quantity of 1 here with a freight charge as well. Only 2 bidders. And they both tied with a bid of 5. Now in this instance, either both teams can be invited to bid again, or the facilitator can arbitrarily choose a winner. And this is, in this example, I'm going to choose team number 2 because the price was absolutely tied. There's 0 money left on the table. Okay, customer 7, quantity of 2, maximum price of 12, plus a freight charge of 2. Only 2 bidders for this business. In second place, Team 3 with a bid of 11, just 1 beneath the maximum price. And the winning bid is from Team 4 with a bid of 8. But as you can see, they've left 2 on the table. They could have bid 10 and they would have won the business. But well done, Team 4. They've won that business. They won customer 7. Moving on to customer 8 now. Only 3 more customers to go. Quantity of 1, freight charge of 1 as well. 2 bidders here. And in joint first place again, Team 2 and Team 5, both of them going for the low orders, and I'm going to award this one to Team 5 with a price of 5 and 0 left on the table. Again, the facilitator can choose the best way to arbitrate when there's a tie. Customer number 9, 4 bidders for this customer, 4 quantity, quite a lot are available here, but a freight charge of 2. So in 4th place with a bid of 23 is team 2. In 3rd place with a bid of 20 is team 4. In 2nd place is team 1 with a bid of 16. And the winners are team 3 with a bid of 15. And very good pricing there from team 3. There's no money left on the table. They could not have won this customer's business with a bid any higher than 15. And now last customer, quantity of 2. There are 3 bidders in 3rd place. Oh, in joint 2nd place is team 3 and team 5 with a maximum price of 12. And the winners are team 1 with a bid of 11. Again, there's 0 money left on the table, and so team 1 wins that particular business. So that's how the market is run. The facilitator actually can see all of these details before they go through and reveal the market results. And as you can see here, you can see all of the bids made by all of the competing teams. And over here, you can see a summary of how well they did. In this instance, team 1 won 4 orders, sales of 47 and a net income of 15. You can also see that they only left 1 on the table, so the best they could have done was a net income of 16. Team 2, even though they won 1 order, it was only for a sale of 5, so they actually made a loss of -4, but none left on the table. Team 3, they won 3 bids. Team 3 won 3 bids. Total sales of 48, so they actually made more sales revenue than team 1, but they only made a net income of 7. Remember, in this particular simulation, whoever makes the most profit is the winner. And team 3 left 6 on the table, so they actually could have had a net income score of 13. Team 4 won 1 order, but they still made a loss of -4. They left 2 on the table. And team 5, again, only won 1 order, and they had -4, so they lost. They had a loss of 4. So the facilitator already knows exactly what's happened before the teams do themselves, which helps with the facilitation and can create a little bit of drama and excitement as each customer winning order is revealed.